Hey guys, this is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2026 Boston Whaler Super Sport 130. This boat is in full color hull glacier green with a black bimini top. It's powered by 40 horsepower Mercury. It does have the little teak platforms with a swim ladder. This boat is a la carte. You can add any type of seats you like to it. We have an exposed fuel tank. We have a windshield with a lockable glove box up front that is waterproof and also has a drain plug. You do have your cup holders. You have a quite spacious anchor locker that is drainable as well. Can also add a side cooler seat. This boat is incredible. It's great for the Charleston waterways. And if you would like to see this boat in person, you could come down to MarineMax in Charleston. You could see it on our website, marinemax.com, Charleston store, or you could reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.